Ta-da! Welcome to Beyond the Press channel. This is the video where our new 300-ton hydraulic press arrives. Today is Friday, and today it's going to be loaded on the truck, and then it's going to take a couple of days to get here. But while it's on the truck, we are going to get ready here because we have also some other thing going on. We are not going to get rid of our old press. No way we are not going to do that. It's going to be there and we can still use it. So the new press has to go somewhere else, and the somewhere else is concrete bunker. Yes, we are building also bunker. Somebody said that every YouTuber is building bunkers right now, so something is going on. I'm not sure about the other guys, but we definitely need it. And this is like the opposite bunker. Usually you try to keep the harm outside, but we try to keep the harm inside. Because the pressing things, it might be a bit dangerous. So this time we are going to put safety number third after the speed and power of the new press. So we have to get room for the bunker and the press, and we realized that the only place is here. It's going to be 4 meters times 4 meters, so pretty large. And we had a couple problems. There would be just perfect spot there for the press and the bunker, but it would block the windows and block the heating. So instead of that, we are going to move this thing over there and then build the bunker here. So today's mission on the factory, load the press, here, move this. Okay, look at this. You haven't seen ever this much space here. Okay, we cheated a little bit. Some of the stuff is outdoors, but now this is empty and we are ready to move it. Here we also got that down, and there is a lot of unneeded stuff that we don't need, but somebody else might need, like frequency transformers, or what you call these, control electric motors. But I have listed everything for sale on auction site. It's in Finnish and in Finland, so we are not going to ship them anywhere. But if you are located in Finland and you want to go check what usual stuff we have for sale, the link is down in description, and I have also a video of all the articles on my personal TikTok account. So go check out it from there. Okay, couple days has passed, and I just sent a WhatsApp message to our press chat, asked where the machine is, because they said that it arrives maybe on Thursday, and now it's Monday, and then they said that it's there, it's arrived, and we went to the place, our workshop, and it wasn't there. And then I got a phone number for the truck driver, and he didn't speak very good English. He just said like, yeah, crushing machine and parking problem. Then we waited for a while, nobody knew where it was, and we were leaving the workshop and we saw Polish truck driving circles near here, and now it's there. I have no idea why he has also the trailer, but Polish truck looks like it's lost and it's here, so it can't be a coincidence. It has to be this.
Yeah.
And now it's going to be really interesting because he spoke very little of English, and we have to explain that I didn't know that it arrives today, and our forklift is too small and we need a bigger one, and I'm not sure can we get one at this time of the date. But yeah, but good thing is the fact that this opens from the side, because I thought that the truck doesn't open from the side and we have to get a crane, but from this we can get it down, but we need just bigger forklift than we have right now. But I can like order one, but first we need to like, I'm going to park here.
Yeah. Then we go to chat with it.
Okay, I don't park here, it's like too tight. I'm going to drive to our I think I'm going to park here. Yeah, let's put this here.
Yeah.
We can move it when somebody arrives.
Luckily, after a couple phone calls, I was able to get 7-ton forklift to get the thing down from the truck. And while waiting that, I took our own forklift. It's rated for 5 tons, but it's 5 tons is the maximum when the load is almost touching the forklift. And the press is about 1 meter wide, so I thought that we are not going to risk it. But to save some time, I was able to get down the hydraulic power unit. This weighs about 1 ton when it's empty. So easy job for our Nissan forklift. And to top of the surprise schedule, the second problem was the fact that we had really much snow on this day. The road next to our workshop was just plowed, so it was in pretty good condition. But some of the other roads were quite messed up, and the forklift driver with the 7-ton forklift was a bit worried on getting started on the journey to our workshop because he has to drive the forklift here. But he was able to make the journey. Luckily, the area next to our workshop is quite flat, so not big hills to climb. And with this forklift, it was easy to get the press down. And important thing about lifting hydraulic presses is the fact that the cylinder is the heaviest part, and it's on really high on the frame, so the presses are really top heavy. So if you lift them on bottom of the frame, then they can fall down on the forklift forks. But if you put the forklift forks through the frame, like here, then the center of gravity is probably below the forks, and it's very stable to lift. And this makes the whole thing much safer. Usually Profi Press machines, they come with stickers to show how you should lift them. Because if you are not familiar with hydraulic press and how it's made, it might be easy to not realize that how top heavy machines these are, and then it's quite dangerous to handle. But with right technique and big enough forklift, this was really safe and easy to lift. And I'm pleased that we got the bigger forklift. It was so much more stable and reliable lift with this. And it also fits nicely on our yard, so it was the perfect sized machine for the job.
It looks way bigger when it's here. Timo says that there is no way that it weighs 5 tons, but I think it weighs, if they say it weighs. Now Timo wants to prove that his own forklift could run the same, so he tries to lift this. So let's see. It should weigh 5 tons, the forklift should lift 5 tons, the crane should lift 5 tons, but I think the weather was so bad that I'm pretty glad that we had the slightly bigger forklift to be sure. We don't want to drop this. But let's see how the old Nissan does. What is your opinion? Is it going to lift?
I'm afraid that something very bad is going to happen.
Yeah, maybe the hose is going. Let's go further. Something like that happens. Okay, and the reason only reason for this lift is to prove that the old Nissan can do it. There is no point on this.
That Lauri was wrong and Timo is right.
Yeah,
that's the main.
Yeah, that's the bottom reason.
Oh my god.
Laske alas varovasti. Okay, it can lift it, but doesn't look good. Doesn't look good.
Mutta kyllä
Okay, new day, new press. Yeah, I think the unloading it went surprisingly well.
Yeah. I don't know how you thought it would go, but
Yeah, because we saw videos from the factory and the truck was different, and that truck would have been much worse because we couldn't take it out from the side with the forklift with that one. So luckily it was changed on the way.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's not operational yet. We need to get all the wrappings out. Then we need to connect it to the power unit and fill it with the oil. You are not allowed to ship these with oil, it's so much oil. And it's so much oil. I think there's somewhere like instruction how to get this operational, but it seems that it's going to be like 400 liters or 2 barrels of oil. I think we have to call some kind of oil truck or something. I have no idea how we are going to fill this. At least we are not going to buy like 20-liter canisters and pour them there.
It's like a 1 week job.
That's out from the picture. So big press, big problems. No, it's not a problem. You have to just, this is a bit out of our usual league on operational, but we have to just get used to on this bigger stuff.
Liian pitkät.
Tämä on hauska. Okay, we tried to lift it, but not going to happen.
Not this time.
Yeah, these are, I think if we have 6 meter long, super sturdy ones, 2 of those, then we can lift it. Because these are now 2 meters, and they're like half a meter too long. So 6 meters and like really, really sturdy ones, that's perfect. Or then chains. New try.
Noin.
Here it goes. Anas toi vähän perseellä. The whole crane bends slightly.
Yikes.
Oho.
Uh-oh, wrong way.
And it was a bit tricky to lift the press, not because of the weight, but because of the height. It was really hard to find right length straps. But with these we were just able to lift it like couple centimeters. And we couldn't use the like steel ring things between the press and the straps, because then it would be too long straps. But luckily the straps had a rated capacity with this lifting style of 2 tons, so they were still plenty strong, and the lifting points were nicely rounded, so totally safe and good lift. Also with just this like this way of lifting, I'm not sure what this is called.
There it's going to be.
Yeah.
Here it's going to be actually just like, I think we are going to put this side that it touches the wall
Yeah.
and just walk on that side. We don't have to have room on the both
That's
sides.
true. Yeah.
And then the wall, the back wall is going to be about here. I don't want to be too close, so we can get it out from the focus when filming. But this is the final place. I think we have to move it around when we build the bunker. But here it's going to be. And we are going to bolt it to the floor because these tend to jump around. And after the box is closed, it's hard to move. So we are going to bolt it here. I don't know what to say. The press is here, bunker isn't. It's going to still be, I would say this is going to still take 2 videos to get this running. So next episode is the bunker building. Is that only one episode? I think it's going to be.
Hard to say how hard it's going to be
Yeah,
to get it here.
Yeah, Hanna has worked on construction site, building houses from elements. So I trust that Hanna is going to build the bunker
Yeah.
in like no time at all.
Yeah.
Me and Timo, we go like, when the truck arrives, we are going to say like, hey, we're going to grab some coffee. We get the coffee done, Hanna has built the bunker
Yeah.
here.
I think it's going to go like that.
Yeah, but the press was the heaviest thing that we have to lift, and that went well. And I also ordered today 2 barrels of hydraulic oil. This is going to take 400 liters.
Yeah.
That's a lot of oil. And I think once again we have like went over the like parody horizon. It's like I was hooking up the like things and calculating are they strong enough, like how many tons are each. And then I thought like we are making fucking YouTube videos and we need all this.
Well, we do.
Yeah, but this is what it takes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so hey, subscribe to the channel. The process is going on here all the time.
That is all for today.
Thank you for watching.
And have a nice day.
Häntä yllättääkö se onkin noin päin?